Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Ms. Shrita Ghosh, and in today's video I'm going to show you all a few essential items for a beauty studio. But before we start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to join the Glam Fam. You can also connect with me on my social media handles by the all-in-one link mentioned right below in the description box. So if you're interested to know a few items that are very essential at a beauty studio, then please keep on watching. So first up, I have this brush cleaner. It runs on electric, so you need to put it into an adapter, and this is how the product looks. This is the on-off switch, and this is where you can put the maximum amount of water. So you basically put your brushes through this into the container, and then you switch on the product and it rotates automatically, cleaning your brushes. You can also clean your beauty blenders in this. So for someone who has a makeup studio or a beauty studio where you need to regularly clean your brushes, this is a great option, and it thoroughly cleans your brushes. So this is a must-have item at a beauty studio. So the next product that I have with me is this portable sewing machine. This is how it looks. So you get this running thing, you have to press it with your hands and this product automatically works. This is for emergency purposes when the blouse of the client or any dupatta of the client is torn or the stitch comes off. It is in that cases that you need this product, and the best part about this is it's portable. You can carry it anywhere. It's super lightweight, like it's not that heavy. So it has basically all the functions that a sewing machine has. You can put the fabric in here and then stitch it like a normal stitching machine. So this is a great product. So next up I have another stitching machine. This is for basically small fabrics, like small areas. This is again a portable sewing machine. Also this is very handy, like you can press it from here. This is the on off part. You can press it from here and the fabric automatically rolls out from here. So this is a very handy product. So this is basically a dry grinder. मतलब आप इसमें वेट कुछ भी चीज़ें पेस्ट टाइप का कुछ भी नहीं ग्राइंड कर सकते हो, आप सिर्फ ड्राई जो चीज़ है उसको ग्राइंड कर सकते हो. तो जब भी आप फ्रेश मेहंदी पेस्ट बना रहे हो उसके लिए आपको शुगर पाउडर चाहिए होगा. शुगर पाउडर पहले से आप स्टोर कर दोगे तो फिर वो ना हीप्स बन जाता है, एक जगह पे कंडेंस हो जाता है. तो इसीलिए फ्रेश बनाने के लिए दिस इज अ ग्रेट आइटम दैट यू नीड इफ यू हैव मेहंदी मेकिंग ऑप्शंस एट योर स्टूडियो. नेक्स्ट मेरे पास है ये फेशियल स्टीमर. सो दिस इज बेसिकली डिटैचेबल. यू पोर इन द वाटर हियर एंड देन इट क्रिएट्स अ स्टीम. So you put your face over here and you take steam. So this is great for pre-makeup skin prep because steaming opens up your pores, so you can clean them nicely and then tone it down. तो उसके लिए clients जब भी आप कर रहे हो makeup का, तो steaming के लिए ये बहुत important चीज़ होता है, आपके पास होना चाहिए as a beauty studio owner. Next up I have this stitchy gun. This thing here, these are like nylon clips or thread like of thing. You put it inside here and once you press it, you take two fabric, it locks in both the fabrics together. जब भी आप ड्रेपिंग कर रहे हो साड़ी का या ब्लाउज का इंस्टेंट कुछ फिक्स करना चाह रहे हो, बाद में आपको इजीली उसको निकाल देना है. तो दिस इज द स्टिची गन दैट यू नीड फॉर दोज पर्पसेस. ड्रेपिंग के लिए हर एक जगह सेफ्टी पिन लगाना वो बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है. तो आप इसको लो, उस जगह पे एक ऐसे प्रेस करो गन के जैसा और वो इंस्टेंटली फिक्स हो जाएगा. सो दीज बेसिकली कम इन टू कलर्स, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. तो डीप कलर फेब्रिक के लिए आप ब्लैक यूज कर सकते हो, लाइट कलर फेब्रिक के लिए आप व्हाइट यूज कर सकते हो. Next up I have a portable vacuum with me. Like whenever you are done with one client, you need to clean up or vacuum up the chair that they were sitting on. You need to vacuum the place where the products are kept. So उसके लिए you need this mini vacuum gun. This is a portable vacuum gun. So it basically comes with an attachment. आप इसको ऐसे लगा सकते हो और अगर कोई nooks and corners पे आपको clean करना होगा तो फिर आप उसको use कर सकते हो. The last product that I have with me, which is an absolute essential at a beauty studio, is this hot glue gun. So this is what the product is. You get glue sticks with this. You insert this here, and once it heats up, the glue comes out from here. So this is very necessary for emergency hairstyle product fixes. Like whenever you are doing a hairstyle, जब भी कुछ फ्लावर का हेयर स्टाइल करो तब इंस्टेंटली कुछ आपको लगाना होगा, पेटल्स या कुछ भी, यू पिन अटैच नहीं या फिर खुल गया है, तो फिर इंस्टेंटली वो फिक्स करने के लिए आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. ईयर रिंग का, ज्वेलरी का कुछ भी निकल गया है तो आप ग्लू गन का इस्तेमाल करके उसको इंस्टेंटली फिक्स कर सकते हो. So these are basically all the products that are an absolute essential at a beauty studio. So that's a wrap for today. Do let me know which item did you find the most essential. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Catch you all in my next video. Till then, keep glamming up. Bye bye.